First on our list is this 1951 Kaiser, a rare post-war classic in remarkable condition. Kaisers were known for their innovative designs and affordability during the early 1950s, competing with the big three automakers. This one comes with its original flathead six-cylinder engine and a manual transmission featuring overdrive. The odometer shows 59,000 original miles. The seller mentions that it runs great, with no bondo or rust, and it's been driven regularly, including an upcoming 50-mile trip. The interior is original and usable, but could use a refresh. This car's rarity means you'll likely be the only one showing up to a car meet in a Kaiser, perfect for enthusiasts seeking something unique and historically significant. Next up is a stunning 1958 Cadillac Sedan, a car synonymous with luxury and bold styling. The odometer reads 50,000 miles, and the seller confirms the engine and transmission are in good running condition. While details are sparse, this Cadillac has potential to shine as a statement car for restoration or cruising. If you're looking for the ultimate in 1950s automotive luxury, this might be the one for you. Here we have a 1969 Chevy Impala Convertible, equipped with a 327 V8 engine and the iconic Powerglide transmission. This Impala is numbers matching with 76,000 original miles and runs and drives, but it does have rear-end damage that will need repair. Despite the damage, this is a fantastic opportunity to own a convertible from one of Chevy's most celebrated model years. With a little bodywork and TLC, this car could be a showstopper at any classic car event. For 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, $10,000, Houston, Texas. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro is ready for a LS swap, making it an excellent project for a performance enthusiast. The seller has already installed new floor pans, a hood, a trunk, and a trunk pan. However, it comes with no title, only a bill of sale, which is important to note. Priced firm at $10,000, this Camaro is ideal for someone ready to take on a restoration project with customization in mind. NAR 5, 1966 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe, $7,999, Glenwood Springs, Colorado. This 1966 Chevy Impala is a two-door hardtop with a numbers-matching 283 cubic inch engine paired with a Powerglide transmission. It's a daily driver with numerous updates, including new tires, wiring, radiator, water pump, and heater core. The seller has even added 1964 Chevy bucket seats for a unique touch. While the car has some rust in typical areas and minor fender damage, it's a solid cruiser with immense potential. A great option for those who want a mix of originality and functionality. Next is a 1966 Ford Thunderbird, a luxury personal coupe featuring a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and 107,130 miles. This car runs well and comes with a host of new parts, including a radiator, brake lines, and tires. The interior features an aftermarket Bluetooth radio, though it will need new speakers and carpeting. There's some rust starting to appear on the 15-year-old paint, and the vinyl top will need replacement soon. However, the Thunderbird's unique styling and comfortable ride make it an excellent project with plenty of charm. 7. 1967 Chevrolet Malibu, $7,000. Here's a 1967 Chevy Malibu, an original survivor car with a numbers-matching drivetrain. It's running, but it needs some mechanical attention and significant rust repair. The seller has a clean Texas title and is offering it as a restoration project. This Malibu is perfect for anyone looking to bring a piece of Chevy history back to life. With its straightforward design and loyal fan base, it's an excellent candidate for restoration. For something a bit more luxurious, we have a 1969 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. This British icon has 62,000 miles and features authentic Rolls-Royce components throughout. While it's not currently running, the seller believes it can be restored to working condition with some TLC. This Silver Shadow represents a unique opportunity to own a classic luxury car with an unmatched level of craftsmanship. It's priced competitively and even comes with the option for a trade-in. Trucks more your style? This 1965 Ford F100 comes with a non-original 302 V8 engine, a new Edelbrock carburetor and intake. The seller has also included new parts like vent windows, weather stripping, and a heater core. While it runs great, the truck is unfinished, leaving plenty of room for customization. It's a strong candidate for someone looking to restore or modify a classic Ford pickup. (10) 1951 Chevrolet pickup, $8,850. Rounding out our list is this 1951 Chevy pickup, a great running project with a 350 V8 engine believed to be from a 1975 Corvette. It features disc brakes, power steering, and Corvette rally wheels. The truck needs a wood bed and headlights, as well as glass replacement for the windshield and driver's door. It's sold with a bill of sale only, but with some work, it'll make an eye-catching classic truck.